Hey learners! Today we're going to break down two types of nouns that sound complicated, but they're actually easy when explained right: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Grab your notebook. Let's dive in. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are the things you can sense, see, hear, touch, taste, or smell. If you can feel it, it's concrete. Examples: people, teacher, doctor,
grandma,
places, city,
park,
New York,
things, chair,
music, perfume, phone. Even imaginary things like unicorns or Godzilla are concrete nouns because in stories, you could see or touch them if they were real. Quick tip: if your five senses can pick it up, it's a concrete noun. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are things you can't touch or see. They're ideas, feelings, or qualities. Examples: feelings,
love,
fear, anger. Ideas: freedom, justice, democracy,
time,
Monday, August, century. You can't touch happiness, but you feel it. You can't see sadness, but you know what it means. Think of abstract nouns as things that exist in your mind, not the physical world. Quick comparison: concrete nouns, abstract nouns. Cat, a concrete noun, while happiness is an abstract noun. River, a concrete noun. Bravery, an abstract noun. Phone, a concrete noun. Honesty, an abstract noun. Music, a concrete noun, while sadness is an abstract noun. Did you just ask about music? Yes, music. Because music is not a physical object like a table or a chair, some people feel it's abstract. But grammatically speaking, it is concrete because you experience it directly through your senses. Bottom line: music equals concrete noun, sense of hearing. If you can sense it, it's concrete. If you can only think or feel it, it's abstract. A quick tip: many abstract nouns end in suffixes like ness, meant, ity, ship, tie-in, ants. Examples: happiness, agreement, creativity, friendship, tension. Now your turn. I'll read a sentence, and you'll tell me whether the underlined word is a concrete noun or an abstract noun. You have 2 minutes to answer them all. Ready? Go. 1. I could feel the happiness in the room. 2. The dog barked loudly outside. 3. She showed great courage during the speech. 4. They sat by the river and talked. 5. His anger surprised everyone. 6. We visited the museum yesterday. 7. Friendship is a precious gift. 8. I value your honesty. 9. He touched the cold water in the glass. 10. The phone rang in the next room. answers. 1. Abstract. 2. Concrete. 3. Abstract. 4. Concrete. 5. Abstract. 6. Concrete. 7. Abstract. 8. Abstract. 9. Concrete. 10. Concrete. So now you know the difference between concrete and abstract nouns. Start looking around you and inside your thoughts, and you'll spot them everywhere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's make English easy together.